Hello everybody. Today we are going to make avocado toast. All the millennials now they always want to make avocado toast. They think they're so atas, but we can make it at home because we need to stay at home because of some illness right now. So this is how we start. We toast our bread. I don't have toaster, so I use a pan. Get your bread until a little bit brown, then damn sweet, damn nice. Then you can leave it aside. I put a little bit of butter. So right now, I am trying to cut the butter. So I try. This butter still a little bit hot from the fridge. Then I try and spread this butter. But this butter still a little bit too hot. So what to do? Sometimes we just have to leave it there and give up. This is when I gave up. And I'm like, walao, this stupid butter. I cut another piece then I put it on the other bread. But cannot spread because the bread already cold. Or maybe the butter is too cold. But it's okay. Never mind. Just leave it there so we can put the avocado on later. Over here, we got one avocado. Damn perfect. But when I cut, I see it's a little bit soft. So that means it's a little bit brown already. So when I twist, you see, got a little bit brown, but it's okay one. This avocado is still quite perfect. So we take the bit and we throw it away. And then we take a butter knife and then we go and cut it into small pieces. Some people like to mash their avocado, but I just like the avocado in pieces. It's quite nice like that. And then I take the avocado, I go and scoop it with one big spoon. There, you see, I try. Okay, can one. Damn nice. Put it on your bread. Put my bread. Put it slowly. Like that lah. Spread a little bit Yeah, this avocado damn nice one. Okay, legit already. This is how you make your avocado. But then you want to make something quite nice for yourself. So you got your avocado, you got your bread. It's avocado toast already. It's damn sweet. But it's like not enough like that. Where is your protein? You want a little bit of protein. So I go and fry egg lah. Got one egg, another egg, so I can put in the avocado. But please everyone must know how to fry egg. If you try and fry egg and then you don't know how to fry egg, that means you have made all the way at home helping you. Not good leh. Must learn how to be independent. So this is a little bit sped up. I have the egg. I fry it. You can either flip it or you don't want to flip also can. But this time I decided to flip a little bit. Sometimes people like over easy. Sometimes people like just sunny side up. But it doesn't matter. Whatever you like, you just do lah. Okay. So right now it's almost perfect. Almost. Okay, then I put it on top of the avocado toast. Damn nice one. You must put the other one as well. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Yeah, like that lah. So this is your avocado toast. And then it's like damn sweet. You put a little bit of black pepper. You put a little bit of salt. Must be sea salt one lah. So it's quite atas, right? So let me see. I got sea salt or not? Let's see. I think I got sea salt. Over here. Okay. And then I just sprinkle a little bit lah. A little bit only. You don't want your heart attack. It's like if you have heart disease, too much salt. That's what they say. But don't know whether true or not. It's okay. Extra premium. Over here, toilet paper all gone already. You think live in America, land of the free, home of the rich or something like that, got toilet paper, but no more toilet paper leh. How am I going to survive with no more toilet paper? You wash your butt lah. Okay, that is all. Thanks everyone. Bye. Stay safe.